केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
Hello dear friends, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna showcasing some of the amazing collections. Yeah guys, in YouTube, in social media platforms, many of the products, many of the companies are providing or advertising their products, but they are selling that kind of the products, like these kind of the products they are selling them, but they are not saying to you that how to sell. Yeah guys, that's the main counter, that customers not having idea to how to sell the products. That was the main opportunity, main questions will be there. They are saying that purchase this, purchase that. Many of the, we are providing you saris, we are providing you blouse pieces, we are providing you lehengas. They are saying that, but they are not giving advice or not giving any ideas to customers to how to sell. This was the main. So guys, in this video the topic is, we're gonna be stick to this topic, and I have gonna giving some of the new idea to how to sell the products. Yeah guys, today's video is gonna be, because of this it's gonna be special, not like any other videos. So please stick to the video at the last. So watch the video from start to till the end. Any of the queries in the comment sections will be there. You can do your queries on that comment section. If you are new, then please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notifications. So first of all, in my hand you will be getting in these kind of the beautiful western trendy collections. See guys, sizes you want to be getting L, M, XL, double XL, triple XL, all 4XL, 5XL, that kind of the heavy sizes you want to be also having in our company. See guys, how beautiful fine it's going to be. Now I only introducing some of the concepts only guys. I have to say that the main questions will be that which of the platforms, many of the platforms are there guys. Yeah, you purchase from us like the 50,000 or the 1 lakh rupees from the mixed varieties of the saris also, kurtis also, lehengas also, and then you are not having your particular rental shop. You want to decide that I have to start our business within a home. For them, I have to say that the phone, yeah guys, with the help of smartphone, in which you reached through the medium of YouTube. For that, the same concept you gonna be doing. Like many of the concepts are there, many of the social media, Instagrams are there, Facebooks are there, WhatsApp is also there. Please share any of the products to that kind of the social media platforms. Make the page like XYZ some saris, or XYZ some of the showrooms or ladies wear category. Make the page and decorate with the page and give all the what I say, photos, share the reels, share the photos, share the videos, all in the, like this wanna be the what I say, like this one will the kurtis, western trendy collections. Take the photo and you can share it on the social media platforms. And apart from that guys, we provide you e-commerce facility also. Yeah guys, e-commerce facilities are also there, like the having of many e-commerce websites like Amazon's, Flipkarts and eBay, Meesho, Myntra, on that kind of the amazing website, e-commerce website are there. You easily sell on those platforms like our product. Yeah guys, on that not I have say much, but many of are there which they are the what I say, they are not the manufacturers. They are purchasing from our company and selling those items at that on that e-commerce platform, guys. Yeah, like these kind of the Western trendy collections you want to be getting, and apart from that, these kind of the beautiful sequenced work and the pearls work also very beautifully described here. You're gonna be noticing. See, guys, like these kind of the very beautiful concept also you're gonna be getting, guys. See how beautiful sequenced work and some of the beautiful mirror work also very well described here, guys. See how beautiful it was be there. And the next variety I'm gonna showcasing you, last but not the least, some of the beautiful variety I'm gonna showcasing you. Like guys, I missed some of the concepts like the dupattas, but let me tell you guys, 3-piece suits. Yeah guys, 3-piece kurtis you wanna be getting. That will be the proper, along with the bottom wear, along with the dupatta, you will be get in these kind of the beautiful suit dress trendy collections. So guys, many of the concepts you've seen here, and I also tell that many of the varieties you can sell it in the social media platform, guys. Yeah, like I have to say one line, guys, that if you have proper focus on the business, like the proper focus of water melt the rock, the same way if you are having proper focus in particular one work or in particular one quantity or in particular one product, then you can achieve success also, guys. So that was the today's video. Any of the queries gonna be left, then know me in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, या आपकी दुकान है, या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं, या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना कर दें। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट्स और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। तो यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।